Hello friends, today we are going to Al Ain to visit Jabal Hafid mountain. We started from Sharjah in the morning on Friday. We started well before rising sun. It is 150 kilometers away from Dubai. Since the speed limit on the highway is capped at 120 kilometers per hour, also considering the traffic in Dubai, it may take 2 hours to reach there. All Emirates contain date trees on central median dividing the roads. At some places, green grass with flower plants can be found. But in Al Ain city, full city is filled with a lot of green trees apart from date trees. It is also called Garden City. It is also known as Inlet Oasis. Local cultivation also takes place here. It also catches some rain sufficient for the cultivation. Al Ain Fun City, Al Ain Zoo, Jabal Hafid Hot Water Spring are the prime attractions. Others include Al Ain Fort, Al Ain Oasis, Al Ain National Museum, Al Ain Palace Museum, Hilly Archaeological Park, Camel Market and Camel Racing are other attractions. Two new attractions, Public Gardens and Wadi Adventure Park were added subsequently. Al Ain Zoo was expanded and totally revamped manifold to 4 kilometers land area. 4,000 animals and 200 species were added over a period of time. Wadi Adventure Park provides world-class water activities like rafting, surfing, swimming, wakeboarding, etc. Camel Market is famous in Al Ain and it is located 15 kilometers away from the city. It is part of the Al Ain Central Market. Camel racing is a spectacular event in UAE and it is part of their heritage for many decades. There are two camel racing tracks available. One is in the middle of Al Ain and Abu Dhabi and the other is located near Al Ain. There is no entry fee into the racing area to watch the camel race. I had discovered this place accidentally. I thought I was on the way to Jabal Hafid, but the road met with a dead end with a large flat viewpoint like place. It is a small hillock as you can see here. It is a good place. It gives the full city.
Yes, I really like this man, but just as
This looks like a hut, but not really it is. There are no walls can be seen. It is sitting in the middle of the sand area. What is the structure could be?
I don't care. He want me to be his girlfriend, but I don't want him as my boyfriend. He would do everything.
What we see here with white domes is Alain Zoo. We can find green trees around it. I have to say a few words about my car. This is American car of brand Chrysler company and the model is Concorde. The model was closed the next year after I bought this car. American cars are comfortable and luxurious oriented and Japanese cars are performance oriented. I bought this American car because it is 3 feet longer and 2 feet wider than Toyota Camry car. Toyota Camry model is the longest and widest cars among most selling car companies. In this Chrysler car, one can totally stretch legs in full in front and rear seats. Rear seat feels like a big and comfortable sofa in the home. It can accommodate 4 adults with free movements. This car has more facilities than Toyota Camry and is much cheaper than the Camry car. People don't buy American cars because their resale value is lower than the Japanese cars. I bought it because I wanted to enjoy luxury and comforts available in this car. Now I am in the correct way to Jebel Hafid. This road was built in 1980 and 12 kilometers long and climbs up 1200 meters into the mountain. The surprising fact is the road contains only 3 lanes, 2 for climbing and 1 for coming.
Hello, if you like this video, please see all my previous videos. If you like them, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. Please drop your comments and suggestions. Thank you.
This mountain is formed with sedimentary rocks like limestone layers. This is actually a range of mountains that stretch beyond Alain city. This range is the border between Alain and Oman country. These mountains contain several naturally formed hot water springs. This is a large viewpoint on the top of the Jebel Hafid mountain. This is only the attraction and people come here, spend some time and return back to the city. This mountain range contains several hot water springs naturally formed. One such fountain can be found at the foothills of the mountain in the Alain city. One such hot water fountain can be found at the foothills of the mountain in the Alain city. The government had developed a nice park with natural landscapings and around the hot water spring. I can't find this park when I visited Alain city 20 years ago. Now this is 2006 and I think this is a recent addition to the city. This is that park, but I could not shoot it as I was very tired after long drive.
Show me what you got, 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 show me what you got.
Hope you had enjoyed the Alain drive. Thank you for watching.